Hello guys, what is up? So yes, Farm and Sim, very good game. I enjoy it. What do you think of this game? Leave comments down below. So, just drinking a bottle of Coke, sorry. This is episode 1 at Wishbridge Hills. Moose 2006 did one of these videos. So, yeah. Right. So yeah, this is Farming Simulator 15. I don't have 17 yet. I'm gonna get it hopefully. And yeah, press start yet. Right. I am quite quiet, I don't know why. Here we go. Just gonna sell that as well. Try to attract it. Just so you know, I've got. So guys, just gonna turn this down. Just so you know guys, I've got the Farming Classics update and a mod pack, but I am playing this on Xbox. A mod pack and, well, I don't know if it's an actual mod pack. A mod pack and pardon me, and a lever add-on. It's only a combine harvester. I'm okay with. Well. So, here. Set the vehicle. Get my money. Gotta get my money. Right. Wow. Impressive. Load of money. Let's see what I can get. So, I like these tractors, they're good. Damn, I would have got that. But no. I'm either going to get that, or I'm either going to get that. Which one? We're gonna choose the green one. We're also gonna get a new cultivator. We're also gonna get a new sewing machine. Well, a bit of deciding, but we made our mind up. So what does this only do? Beetroots and go with that one. And if there's like a slurry tank that I can have that are cheap, well, I'm gonna go with the old one. Not very good, but it will do. It will definitely do. Reset every single vehicle. I'll be resetting quite a lot, but yeah. Let's go to work. Start this harvester. Look down, I have not used this harvester in a while. Unfold. Limits hide worker. as soon as I turn. It doesn't matter really, because I'll be gone soon. Let's attach the weight. Let's go. So pretty much this episode is going to be a bit chilled. This episode, just going to get a feel to the game, even though I do have a big one. Tell me what you think of this game. I love it, to be honest. It's one of my most favourite games. As soon as he comes back around, I'm gonna start. Right, just unfold. Should be quite big. Let's get the wooden slurry tank ready. Well, this is the slurry tank that we're going to be using for now. Not the best, but it will do. It will do indeed. Right, this will be good. I'll probably reach like 100 soon again, so. So this takes ages. No. Yay! YouTube just watched my video. Bizarre, but anyway, move, sir. Go! Cultivating the field. Proud of this tractor so far. Let's go slurry tank in. Ow! Alright. Spin, 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 spin. So yeah, if we can reach 300 subscribers. No, not 300. Yeah, do you know what? 50 likes for this video, and that will be absolutely amazing. Yeah, it'd be good if I could get that many likes for this video. Very, very helpful. So, I am really sorry that the quality is not good. I wish I could improve it, but I need to save up my pocket money. Else that, but I feel like I'm very, and anyway, I feel like I'm really lucky to be on YouTube with like one of my favourite like one of my favourite websites with all the fans which do like me and that lot. I am a proven YouTuber, I'd say. I love it. So then guys, I'm going to leave this video here. If you did enjoy this video, please leave a like and subscribe if you are new to this channel. Tell me what you want to see tomorrow. Do you want to see this game again, or do you want to see something different tomorrow? Please tell me in the comments. But that's all from me, and this is peace out.